Assalamu alaikum ji from Dr. Rehan Umar's desk. Welcome once again. World Heart Day is around the corner. We'll be celebrating 29th of September as the World Heart Day. It is an annual event that occurs and that is celebrated across the globe. Just to raise the awareness about cardiovascular diseases, we all know that cardiovascular diseases are the #1 cause of morbidity and mortality across the globe. We are more than 8 billion people on the surface of this planet, and more than 1.25 billion people are suffering from high blood pressure, which is basically the root cause for the majority of cardiovascular diseases. There are around 522 million patients across the globe right now at this point in time who are suffering from cardiovascular diseases. And among cardiovascular diseases, high blood pressure is the #1 killer. And you know that hypertension leads to coronary artery disease, जिसको हम आम ज़बान में heart attack कहते हैं. And across the globe, every year there are around 9 million deaths associated with coronary artery disease, which is a very huge number. अगर हम heart failure की बात करते हैं, there are more than 64 million patients suffering from heart failure, which is the final road towards disaster, towards mortality in patients with cardiovascular diseases. अगर हम बात करते हैं stroke की, so there are 94 million stroke survivors across the globe. So in fact, in the nutshell, cardiovascular diseases are very dangerous, and we raise the awareness among the masses to take care of themselves and their siblings and their relatives in order to curb the menace of this deadly disorder. We have pledged with the World Health Organization that by 2030 we'll try and strive for the best for our patients in order to bring down the prevalence of cardiovascular disease, or the incidence by at least, cut down the incidence by at least 30%. We can only do so if we, the healthcare providers, work in concert with our patients, work with you guys, so that let us help you help us. So please let us help you help us in order to control this deadly cascade of diseases. अपने blood pressure का ख्याल रखिए, take good control of your sugars, take good control of your cholesterol, stop smoking, stop substance abuse, sleep. You should have good amount of uninterrupted sleep. You should exercise a lot, at least 150 to 180 minutes a week of moderate physical training. This is what's recommended by the American Heart Association and the American Diabetes Association in order to stay fit. But let me again remind you, exercise वो वाहिद चीज़ है जिसमें आपके पैसे भी नहीं लग रहे, और वो वाहिद चीज़ है जिससे आप अपनी डिजीज़ को ख़त्म कर सकते हैं. The only management protocol, management strategy that can get rid you of your cardiovascular disease is through exercise and through good lifestyle comprising of healthy diet and good sleep, along with on top of good exercise. जितनी भी दवाइयाँ हैं, जितने भी management protocols हैं, वो सब बीमारियों को control करते हैं, plaques को stabilize करते हैं, बीमारियों को ख़त्म नहीं करते. But again, if you work hard, if you work on your exercise, you'll be able to get rid of your cardiovascular diseases. The motto of this year's World Heart Day is to call hard for action. अपने दिल को इस्तेमाल कीजिए, दूसरों के दिल को इस्तेमाल कीजिए, समझने की कोशिश कीजिए, प्यार मोहब्बत के ज़रिए लोगों को कायल करने की कोशिश कीजिए कि अमराज़ क़ल्ब एक बहुत ख़तरनाक मर्ज़ है, और इस पर हम सब का मिलकर एक साथ काम करना बहुत ज़रूरी है ताकि हम इस ख़तरनाक बीमारी पर काबू पा सकें. So, happy World's Heart Day. Allah Hafiz.